Welcome to another story of my Bible stories. So today, na chapter 5, now we go talk about, and the topic now, the Tawa of Babel. After the big flood, Noah and his family come born many pikin. Their pikin come born more pikin. Even their own pikin can't even born more pikin. Everywhere come full with many people, just like God tell them make them do. As them many well, all of them can speak the same language, so them fit understand each other well. Them they work together as no wahala dey when they decide to do something together. The good one and the good one finish. One set of this Noah pikin can say they go stay for one place where they call Babylonia. This set of people sabi make many things well. So they can't sabi make tar. When they can use take gum block together to take build their houses so it go strong. One day, one of these people can say, make we use this our better handiwork we will get, take build the tallest house. We go tall well like tower. The kind tower where nobody ever see before, when they never built before. Once them build and finish, people wey go see am go come know say dem dey famous well. Dem go even famous past God himself. Pride, e can't enter their mind like that. They can't agree to start to make this tower. Small, the tower can't be big. As dem dey build am, God dey watch them. When God can't see wetin dem want do and wetin dey for their mind, e no come happy at all. As the people want do wetin go make them think say they better pass God. He can't think say if he allow them continue, they go come get big head, so they go come wicked like the people for Noah time before the flood. Quick, na im God can't think say them they fit succeed because say them sabi speak the same language. When they make them they do things together. He can't say he go scatter their language, make them know they hear wetin each other they talk again. Once that happen, they go come confused and come stop the tower where them they build. Then they will come remember wetin he tell them after the flood, to obey and to dey respect and well. Before you know wetin dey happen, God just make all the people come dey speak different language. When all the people wey dey build the tower come notice say they no dey hear wetin each other they talk again, confusion come full everywhere. They come dey vex. They can't scatter, they can't stop till they make the tower. All of them just waka their own different waka, go different part of the earth. Now so the tower just stops till they build for there, or they just stop and like that because they don't understand each other again. Their togetherness just scatter. So many people, we can't see the tower where them not finish, can't call them the Tawa of Babel. Because now for there, now in the start of many language begin. When make people no come dey hear wetin each other they talk again. God come make sure say all of them go stay for different parts of the earth, just like the way he want them after the flood when he tell Noah. Now so the Tawa of Babel story they end o. Hope so na enjoy am. Thank you.